Hey everyone, I'm Sievers, and today I'm going to show you how to make my decadent and luxurious cognac hot chocolate. So growing up as a kid, I used to get hot chocolate out of that little packet with the little dried marshmallows. You'd mix it with water, and it wasn't so great. This is really great hot chocolate, and it's really boozy, which, you know, I love. So it's for adults only. So let me show you exactly what I have going on over here. So I have on the stove a big heavy bottomed pot filled with 3 cups of whole milk, 2 cups of half and half that I've heated just below the simmering point. So you have a nice steam action here, but it's not simmering or bubbling or anything. And then to it, I've added 2 different types of fresh chocolate. So I've added milk chocolate and 72% cacao dark chocolate. And what I love about that combination is that you get the richness of the dark chocolate and the depth of flavor, and you also get that little bit of sweetness from the milk chocolate, which I love so much. And I've used a really good Belgian milk chocolate and Belgian dark chocolate. I think it has great texture, great flavor, and if you can't find Belgian chocolate, also you can use Swiss chocolate. Just try to refrain from any chocolate chips of any kind, because those have stabilizers in them, and they can kind of affect the consistency and texture of your final hot chocolate. So this is wonderful. It's just melting away. And if you're not familiar with cognac, cognac is a beautiful kind of sipping liqueur. It's also great in cocktails, but it has a really complex nosing element to it. And I've pulled out some of the most common nosing aromatics from cognac, and that's exactly what I'm going to add into the hot chocolate to help kind of have all those flavors sing with one another and become my cognac hot chocolate. I will spare you from my singing, trust me. So I have about a cup of cognac. I'm using Remy Martin 1738. You want to use a good cognac for this because there is quite a lot, as you can see. There's a whole cup of cognac in this. And as soon as you pour that into the hot chocolate, you're going to instantly smell that warping, beautiful, sensual aroma of cognac, which makes me already feel a little slinky. But I'm also going to add some cocoa powder. I use Pernod cocoa powder. I think it's Italian. I think it has fantastic flavor, and it's really, really kind of very, very, very chocolatey. If you can't find Pernod, use just a really other good store-bought brand. Hershey's actually makes a dark chocolate version, which is really delicious and is a great substitution for this. I'm also going to use some delicious pure vanilla extract, so about 1½ teaspoons. And then some salt and some cinnamon. Cinnamon's going to help with the warmth of that cognac. And oh, this is so delicious. I can't wait for you to see this and taste it. And then 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, just lightly packed. And then 4 tablespoons of a salted caramel sauce. So you can make your own salted caramel. I happen to have access to this really good salted caramel from Trader Joe's. It's Fleur de Sel caramel. I keep it in the pantry at all times because it is the perfect last-minute addition to desserts or other things, and it's exceptionally delicious in my cognac hot chocolate. So the idea is you just put all of this into your pot. You're whisking it all together, and it is becoming this absolutely luxurious, decadent sipping cognac hot chocolate. So let me give this one last little whisk. This entire time the pot has just been on a very low heat to keep the milk temperature up so that as you're putting ingredients in, everything's dissolving and mixing around. And et voila, this is cognac hot chocolate. Let me get a little ladle and give you a close-up view of this. This is like Willy Wonka after dark. So, thick, delicious. It's absolutely luxurious and has amazing, you can see this inside. How gorgeous is that? Whoa. That is really, really, really good. So if you like this video, which I hope you did, please like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the little notification bell so that you're notified of all my new videos as soon as they post. Head over to marcsievers.com for this full written recipe, along with many others, entertaining ideas, and of course, lots of kitchen tips and tricks. See you next time. Bye, guys.